begin, an atom is made up of a proton, neutron, and electron. An isotope of an element has the same number of protons but a different number of neutrons and a different atomic mass. It is important to remember that the symbol for an isotope is the atomic mass over the atomic number in front of the symbol for the element. A radioactive isotope has an unbalanced number of neutrons and protons in the nucleus. This allows the atom to dissipate in the form of alpha particles, beta particles, and gamma rays coming from the nucleus. This is a release of excess energy stored in the atom. An alpha particle is made of 2 protons and 2 neutrons, making it the same as a helium nucleus. A beta particle is made of 1 electron. It is important to note that radioactive decay is also known as electromagnetic radiation, which is the release of excess energy from an atom. Scientists know of 1,000 isotopes, but only 50 are found in nature. We will now discuss the half-life of radioactive isotopes. All radioactive isotopes have a half-life. A half-life is the time it takes for half of the radioactive material in the nucleus to dissipate in the different forms of energy. Now for an example, we are going to use the first element on the periodic table, hydrogen. Hydrogen has 3 naturally occurring isotopes, protium and deuterium, and then tritium, which is radioactive. Tritium has 1 proton, 2 neutrons, and 1 electron. It releases energy in the form of beta particles and gamma rays. This decays into helium-3, which is non-radioactive. The half-life of tritium is 12.3 years. This means it takes 12.3 years for half of tritium's radioactive material to decay. The nuclear equation for the decay of tritium is tritium yields helium-3, electrons, and electron neutrinos. Electron neutrinos are the antiparticles of electrons that are released when an atom loses energy.